Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send disappearing photos on a Snapchat. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Snapchat app on your phone. And now, I will simply click a picture right here. If you want to control how long the recipient can view the photo, tap on the stopwatch icon at the bottom left. Here, you can choose between 1 to 10 seconds. Or set it to infinite to allow them to view it until they manually close it. I will select 1 second here and now tap on the option that says send to, and now send to any of your friends which you wanted to. And that's how you send disappearing photos on a Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.